Hello everyone, in this video we'll see the births and the days places of each US president. The first US president was George Washington. His birthplace was Westmoreland County in Virginia, and his days place was Mount Vernon in Virginia. John Adams is the second US president, and his birthplace is Quincy in Massachusetts, and he died in Quincy, Massachusetts. Thomas Jefferson, he was born in Shadwell, Virginia, and he died in Monticello, Virginia. James Madison, he born in Port Conaway, Virginia, and he died in Montpelier in Virginia. James Monroe, he was born in Westmoreland County in Virginia, and he died in New York City. John Q. Adams, he was born in Quincy, Massachusetts, and he died in Washington, D.C. Andrew Jackson, he was born in Waxhaw area, North-South Carolina border, and he died in Hermitage in Tennessee. Martin Van Buren, he was born in Kinderhook, New York, and he died in Kinderhook, New York as well. President William Henry Harrison, he was born in Berkeley, Virginia, and he died in Washington, D.C. He died actually when he was in office, in power. John Tyler, he was born in Greenway, Virginia, and he died in Richmond, Virginia. And James K. Polk, he was born in Mecklenburg County in North Carolina, and he died in Nashville, Tennessee. Zachary Taylor, he was born in Barboursville, Virginia, and he died in Washington, D.C. Millard Fillmore, he was born in Summerhill, New York, and he died in Buffalo, New York. Franklin Pierce, this president was born in Hillsborough, New Hampshire, and he was died in Concord, New Hampshire. And President James Buchanan, he was born in Cove Gap, Pennsylvania, and he died in Wheatland, Pennsylvania. President Abraham Lincoln, he was born in Lowry County, Kentucky, and he died in Washington, D.C. President Andrew Johnson, he was born in Raleigh, North Carolina, and he died in Carter's Station, Tennessee. Ulysses S. Grant, he was born in Point Pleasant, Ohio, and he died in Mount McGregor in New York. Next, Rutherford Hayes, he was born in Delaware, Ohio, and he died in Spiegel Grove in Ohio. James A. Garfield, he was born in Orange, Ohio. He died in Elberon, New Jersey. Chester A. Arthur, this president was born in Fairfield, Vermont, and he died in New York City. President Grover Cleveland. He was born in Caldwell, New Jersey, and he died in Princeton, New Jersey. President Benjamin Harrison. He was born in North Bend, Ohio, and he died in Indianapolis, Indiana. President Grover Cleveland. He was born in Caldwell, New Jersey, and he died in Princeton, New Jersey. President William McKinley. He was born in Niles, Ohio, and he died in Buffalo, New York. Theodore Roosevelt. He was born in New York and he died in Oyster Bay, New York. William H. Taft. He was born in Cincinnati, Ohio, and he died in Washington, D.C. President Woodrow Wilson. He was born in Stanton, Virginia, and he died in Washington, D.C. President Warren G. Harding. He was born in Blooming Grove, Ohio, and he died in San Francisco, California. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, please share the video. This video mainly deals with the birth and the death places of each US president. President Calvin Coolidge. He was born in Plymouth, Vermont, and he died in Northampton, Massachusetts. This president is the only president who born on the Independent Day of USA, that is 4th of July. And Herbert Hoover. He was born in West Branch, Iowa, and he died in New York. President Franklin D. Roosevelt. He was born in Hyde Park, New York, and he died in Warm Springs, Georgia. President Harry S. Truman. He was born in Lamar, Missouri, and he died in Kansas City, Missouri. President Dwight D. Eisenhower. He was born in Denison, Texas, and he died in Washington, D.C. President John F. Kennedy. He was born in Brookline, Massachusetts, and he died in Dallas, Texas. President Lyndon B. Johnson. He was born in Johnson City, Texas, and he died in Johnson City, Texas as well. President Richard Nixon. He was born in Yorba Linda, California, and he died in New York. President Gerald Ford. He was born in Omaha, Nebraska, and he died in Rancho Mirage in California. Jimmy Carter. He was born in Plains, Georgia, and he died in Plains, Georgia. Ronald Reagan. He was born in Tampico, Illinois, and he died in Los Angeles, California. George H.W. Bush. He was born in Milton, Massachusetts, and he died in Austin, Texas. President Bill Clinton. He is still alive. And he was born in Hope, Arkansas. Next is George W. Bush. He was born in New Haven, Connecticut, and he is still alive. And Barack Obama, he was born in Honolulu, Hawaii, and he is still living. And President Donald Trump, he is the present US president. He was born in Jamaica, Queens, New York, and he is still alive, and now he is leading the country USA. He became the 47th US president. Joe Biden, he was born in Scranton, Pennsylvania, and still he is living. He is the 46th US president. He left the power last January. Thank you so much for listening this video. If you like the video, please share the video, give your comments. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and encouraging me. Thank you so much. I will see you in the upcoming other videos. Bye bye.